Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Ovarian tuberculosis. The third site to be involved in tuberculosis of genital tract is ovary. Ovary involvement is seen in 30% of the cases. Here you will see congestion of the ovary with polymenorrhea is seen. Initially in genital tuberculosis there is polymenorrhea followed by amenorrhea. Diagnosis of genital tuberculosis. Endometrial biopsy is done. Endometrial biopsy is done on day 1 or day 2 before 1 or 2 days before menstruation, and endometrial biopsy is also done from menstrual blood within 12 hours, and the menstrual blood is sent for culture with the help of Leuenstein-Jensen medium, and it is sent for histopathological examination, and it can be sent for polymerase chain reaction. Manage.
thank you and thank you for watching.